In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a practical tool that is reshaping industries across the board, including creative writing and publishing. If you're an aspiring writer or a side hustler looking to turn your passion for storytelling into a profitable venture, AI is about to become your best friend. In this guide, we'll explore the exciting opportunity of using Chat GPT to craft compelling short stories and sell them on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid grasp of how to leverage AI to enhance your writing process, brainstorm innovative ideas, and generate stories that resonate with readers. We'll guide you through the essential steps, from researching market trends to formatting and publishing your work, ensuring that your stories stand out in the competitive world of self-publishing. The new era of writing. Why use Chat GPT? Let's face it, writing a captivating story from scratch is not always easy. Creative blocks, plot holes, and the struggle of developing rich characters can slow down the process. This is where Chat GPT comes into play. Rather than replacing creativity, AI like ChatGPT is a tool that can enhance it. It acts as a creative partner, offering fresh ideas, providing plot outlines, and even helping refine your writing style. By automating certain aspects of writing, ChatGPT allows you to focus on the heart of your stories, your unique voice and vision. Overcoming creative blocks. One of the most frustrating experiences for any writer is the dreaded creative block. ChatGPT can help you overcome this hurdle by generating new angles and ideas that you might not have considered. Stuck on how to develop your plot or bring a character to life? Ask ChatGPT for suggestions and watch the ideas flow. With AI, brainstorming is no longer a solo effort. It's a collaboration between human creativity and machine learning. Crafting engaging plots and characters. ChatGPT can also help you with the foundational elements of your story, such as character development and plot structure. By providing simple prompts like, generate a plot about a hero's journey in a futuristic dystopia, you can spark creative insights and generate a rough outline to get started. From there, you can customize and expand on the AI's suggestions, giving your narrative the depth and originality it needs to captivate readers. Researching in-demand niches, the secret to standing out on Amazon KDP. While creativity is key, it's also important to understand the market you're entering. Writing stories in popular genres or about trending topics can significantly increase your chances of success. So how do you find out what's in demand? The answer lies in researching Amazon KDP to identify profitable niches. Step 1. Use Amazon's search bar for insights. The first step to discovering trending topics is to leverage Amazon's search bar. Type in broad keywords related to the genres you're interested in, such as romance, sci-fi, or mystery, and take note of the suggestions Amazon provides. These autocomplete suggestions are based on real-time search data, giving you insight into what readers are currently looking for. Step 2. Analyze search results and competition. Next, pay attention to the number of search results for your chosen keywords. A high volume of results indicates a competitive market, which may make it harder for your book to stand out. However, if you find a niche with fewer results, you've potentially discovered a less competitive area that can give you a better chance of gaining visibility. Step 3. Investigate bestseller ranks, or BSR. One of the most critical factors to consider is the bestseller rank of books in your niche. A lower BSR signifies high sales, which is a clear indicator of reader demand. By choosing a niche with a favorable BSR, you can align your writing with what readers are actively purchasing, increasing your chances of generating sales on Amazon KDP. Step 4. Check reviews and trends. Take time to read reviews of top-selling books in your target niche. Pay attention to what readers love and what they criticize. This feedback can help you tailor your stories to meet readers' preferences, ultimately giving you an edge in the market. Additionally, stay on top of emerging trends by following popular authors and industry blogs. Writing about current or upcoming themes can make your stories even more appealing. Using ChatGPT for generating titles, plots, and story ideas. Now that you've identified a niche, it's time to dive into the creative process with ChatGPT. This AI tool can help you generate unique titles, outline your plot, and even offer character backstories. But how do you get started? Prompting Chat GPT for titles and ideas. The key to unlocking Chat GPT's potential lies in how you structure your prompts. Be as specific as possible to help the AI understand your vision. For example, if you're writing a dystopian short story, you could prompt ChatGPT with, "Generate 5 unique short story titles about survival in a post-apocalyptic world." In seconds, you'll have several potential titles to inspire your writing. Turning ideas into full narratives. Once you have a title, use ChatGPT to flesh out the story. Let's say you've chosen the title, The Last Safe Haven. You can ask ChatGPT to provide a brief plot outline. Create a plot outline for a story called The Last Safe Haven, focusing on a group of survivors in a nuclear wasteland. The AI will give you a structured framework, complete with key plot points and potential conflicts. From there, you can personalize and expand on the outline, adding your own twist to create a compelling narrative. Staying original, avoiding plagiarism. While ChatGPT can generate a lot of content quickly, it's crucial to ensure that the final product reflects your unique voice. Use the AI's ideas as a springboard, but don't rely on it to do all the work. Rework the generated content, add your personal flair, and check for originality to avoid plagiarism. AI should serve as a tool to inspire creativity, not replace it. Polishing your manuscript plagiarism checks and formatting for Amazon KDP. Once your story is written, it's important to ensure it's polished, original, and ready for publication. Here's how to handle plagiarism checking and proper formatting for Amazon KDP. Step 1. Checking for plagiarism. Before submitting your manuscript, run it through plagiarism detection tools like Grammarly, Copyscape, or Turnitin. These platforms can flag any unintentional similarities to other works, allowing you to revise and ensure your content is truly unique. This step is essential to protecting your intellectual property and maintaining your credibility as an author. Step 2. Formatting your manuscript. Amazon KDP has specific guidelines for formatting manuscripts. To ensure your book looks professional, format your document in Word using a readable font like Times New Roman or Arial, set at 12 points. Double space your text and keep margins at 1 inch on all sides. Additionally, include a title page with your story's title and your name, followed by a table of contents if necessary. Proper formatting is not only essential for readability, but also ensures that your manuscript meets Amazon's submission guidelines. Minimum page count. When publishing short stories on Amazon KDP, aim for a minimum of 24 pages. Although there's no strict limit, ensuring your story is substantial enough for readers to enjoy increases the likelihood of positive reviews and return customers. A well-developed narrative not only satisfies your readers, but also boosts your book's reputation on the platform. Designing a professional book cover with Canva and Fiverr. A great book cover is often the deciding factor for potential readers. If your cover looks professional and visually compelling, you're more likely to grab attention. Here's how to create one that stands out. Step 1. Setting correct dimensions. Before designing your cover, make sure you have the correct dimensions. For a paperback, the recommended size is 6 by 9 inches. If you're creating an ebook cover, the dimensions should be 1600 by 2560 pixels. Ensuring your cover meets Amazon specifications will prevent upload issues. Step 2. Using Canva for DIY design. Canva is a fantastic resource for designing your own book cover. It offers user-friendly templates specifically for book covers, which you can customize with your own title, images, and author name. Canva's library of graphics, fonts, and colors allows you to create a cover that visually represents your story's theme. Take your time to play around with different elements until you create a design that feels both professional and unique. Step 3. Hiring a designer on Fiverr. If you'd rather leave the design to the experts, Fiverr is a great platform to find freelance designers. Many freelancers on Fiverr specialize in book covers, and you can hire someone to create a custom design that aligns with your vision. A professionally designed cover can significantly enhance your book's appeal, increasing the likelihood of attracting readers. Step 4. Crafting and engaging back cover. Don't forget about the back cover. Use this space to write a short, engaging description of your story. This description acts as a hook to entice readers, so make sure it conveys the unique aspects of your plot and characters. Keep it succinct yet compelling, leaving potential buyers wanting more. Uploading your book to Amazon KDP. Once your manuscript is formatted and your cover is designed, it's time to upload your book to Amazon KDP. Here's a step-by-step guide to get your book live. Step 1. Setting up your KDP account. If you don't already have an Amazon KDP account, head to the KDP website and sign up. If you have an existing Amazon account, you can use those credentials to log in. Fill in all the required information to complete your KDP profile. Step 2. Creating your title. Click Create a new title and select whether you're publishing a Kindle ebook or a paperback. You'll need to enter details like your book's title, subtitle, and author name. Choose a title that is clear, engaging, and reflective of your story's theme. Step 3. Keywords and categories. Keywords are essential for helping readers discover your book. Select keywords that accurately reflect your story's themes and content. Additionally, pick categories that match your genre. Proper categorization helps ensure your book reaches the right audience and improves your chances of ranking higher in search results. Step 4. Uploading and previewing your book. Once you've entered the necessary information, upload your manuscript and book cover. Before hitting publish, use KDP's preview feature to check for any formatting errors. This ensures your book will look its best across different devices. Final checks before publishing. Before you press publish, take a few last steps to ensure your book is ready for the world. Review for errors. Go through your manuscript one last time to catch any typos or formatting issues. Pay special attention to how your book appears in the preview tool, as this gives you a good idea of what readers will see. Set a competitive price. Research similar books in your niche to determine a competitive price. Setting the right price is critical to gaining visibility and driving sales. Consider factors like your book's length, content quality, and the pricing of other works in your genre. Plan your marketing strategy. While Amazon reviews your book, which can take up to 3 days, use this time to plan your marketing strategy, engage with your audience on social media, build excitement around your launch, and consider using Amazon ads to promote your book. Wrapping up, turning your passion into profit. In this comprehensive guide, we've explored how you can use Chat GPT to create, enhance, and sell short stories on Amazon KDP. From generating unique ideas and conducting market research to polishing your manuscript and designing a compelling cover, these steps will set you up for success in the self-publishing world. By harnessing the power of AI, you're not just streamlining your creative process, you're elevating it. Embrace the potential of AI-assisted writing and transform your passion for storytelling into a profitable side hustle. Ready to get started? Hit that publish button and let the world discover your stories. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with other aspiring writers. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of AI-assisted writing, check out our related videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy writing.